ngicela ibizo lika dade ongitshele istory. Can I have a female name elesindebeleni if possible, or whatever, it doesn't matter. Ngicela istory ibizo lika girl. Somebody give me a name for a female esizalisebenzisa nguBrenda. Siyabonga ngale ku TikTok ngoba baka Facebook basacabanga we will give our girl ibizo elithi Brenda. Can I have a name for her boyfriend? Umuntu wakhe ukuthi kuthiwa ngubani. Give me a name for the male. Don't know if it's me, but my comments on Facebook are slow to come through. We've had it to me before. Can we have another name? I think we've had it to me 2 or 3 times. Yes. I know we're calling her Brenda. What's the male name? Can I have ibizo lomuntu oyindoda? Look at me tapping the screen on Facebook. Can I have the ibizo lomuntu lihle? Guys, hayibo. Celani seriousness la. SM Thabo. Have we not heard? Okay, Brenda lo Thabo. I need another one. Okay, anyway, Los Zambiza ngalelo abambize ngalo on the story, right? So, the story set begins with okay, luthi mina njani sisa. Eyami indaba iqalisa ngo 2021. So, uBrenda uthi hayi 2021 nango mina ngasuka ngangivele ngihlala eJohannesburg. Ngingumuntu osuke kwela Zimbabwe a few years before, so I had been living in Joburg and I thought eJoburg maybe see crowded, awusela umsebenzi, izinto asangihambeli. I then decided ukuthi ngona ngimove umngane wami wathi no mnganezi, move to Cape Town. Cape Town is better. We are at Cape Town, kuyasebenzeka, akulabo ngozi. So hayi uBrenda nango pakisha imchaqane yakhe, thayishapa sakhe straight esiya ngaphi eKapa. Uthi hayi ngifike Cape Town khona is different from Joburg. According to her, I do not know. Uthi hayi ngifike Cape Town lapha hayi ngibone kuyasebenzeka kuyabambeka here and there. Impilo iyahamba kuhle sibili hayi la uthi ngokufika kwami nje ngamasinga this is 2021. Uthi ngokufika aqalisa ukwenza abangane as people do. Afika yenza abangane aqalise la ukubamba uthi ngangithengisa ngiwodwa kuyizinto kwami lami ema China Mall, China City, Dragon City, eJoburg ngifake emabhasini kube ngada lakho ngibuye eCape Town ngifike ngifaka uyimakhapinyana kwami. Hayi sengu entrepreneur ugela say entrepreneurship ugela. Uthi hayi bese ngithengisa sibili ngiloku ibusiness nyana kwami. Hayi kuhambe uthi one time I get a client ewayejayile ukuhlala ethenga izinto zami siswa ngikhona ethi umuntu ohlakaniphe njengawe so why ungayenza kwama cruise ship kuyini bathi hayi cruise ship into nje ngithi hayi ngila experience hayi wena aba ngibhare kusemazweni la sawa lighting. Why are you bizaring? Hamba ecompany enje bayakufundisa ama basics kuthiwa kulama test okumele wayenze lokho ugela amniki lilo down yokuthi kufunekani ukuthi uhambe ama cruise ship. Uthi hayi lami into ngikhona ngani ngiyathathela kancane ngithathela phansi, but akuye ngicabanga ukuthi do you know what, this sounds like a good idea. Aqalise la ku research phela ugela ukuthi cruise ship awonto ikusebenza ikepeni. Hayi uthi a contact agent leyo ukuthi ayahambisa abantu kuma cruise ship. I-agent lani imtshela ukuthi hayi sis ufuna lokho kumele yenze lokho, utrain lokho bele experience 6 months yalokho, but okunye kuyasebenzeka sakwanisa ukulungisa. Hayi gela athi ukuthi ngigijime kulomngane wami obesebenza I think kwi-restaurant or something. Ahamba embuza bathathini uthi hayi ngiyakhulumela lo boss general. Ahamba ekhuluma lo boss, uboss afika athi no nxa ukuthi ufuna experience kuphela engasomuntu ofuna uthi vele ngingasomuntu nje ofuna ukusebenza ama restaurant because into yokuthenga ngithengisa yayingisebenzela, but I realized ukuthi I needed experience elaliyana uyabo. So uthi hayi ngabe uboss lana bese kulo muntu ohambayo, there's someone who's going away on maternity leave, so she can come in abambe until that person comes back. And I think equally abantu they don't take long ukuya ku maternity. They are not like here abroad ukuthi umuntu yathatha ama 9 months. So I guess ukuthi it was ukuthi she was going to go asebenze maybe 4 months 5 months 6 months at most angikwazi. She didn't tell me ukuthi umbambo lo wawungeya for how long. So uthi hayi ke ngithi hawu amadlozi ahamba lami ahambe restaurant laphana asebenze mostly a coffee and bar kind of situation ngoba that is the experience that she wanted. Hayi uthi ngisebenze some days obviously nxa kushotile ecompany la abe nguwaiter abe nguwaitress and things like that. Hayi uthi ngikusebenze ke a couple of months ngwava uyasebenza restaurant laphana uyahamba futhi uyathenga izinto zakhe ngama days akhe off uya-order izinto selamarana ugeli life is life in amarana asuke yamthengele egoli laphana ko-Dragon City China Mall bamfakele emabhasini overnight avuke like i-collect Cape Town laphana hayi impilo yahambe thengisela izihlobo labangane bena laba babe ababevele bengama-clients akhe lama-clients amatsha asesebenza restaurant obviously you know life is going okay akala stress ugele hayi ugele uthi ngihamba hambe ngempilo hayi ke kukhanye lasebhala lapho ugele mani yey she's very good iyayazi into ayenzayo konke akufundiswayo uyafunda very fast xa uyikubamba kuyikusenza ama-coffee lama-cappuccino lama-what she was very good at it nxa kusebhanga ngale she was serving ama-customers were loving her outgoing nature I guess ngumuntu lwana nje levavavomo hayi kade uphonga uhlampela into ezingekho khona kuzobuya kumlingenene hayi gele uthi hayi ke isikhathi sami sokuthi experience lana ngiyithole ibe right sengithole because uguy wayethe hayi aba-agent babethe hayi i-next intake yeskepe lesi is in a certain number of months uyabo i-next intake yeskepe esinye sasibuya or whatever I don't know how it works but babemtshela ukuthi next intake inini so by the time that intake is done make sure ukuthi usuyenza lokhu iphepha lakho lonke livele in order like nxa u-apply le-COS yenza ama-ILTs yahamba uyenza i-police clearance hambe yenza lokhu hlale nje ifalda lakho liready ngoba anytime hlale ugezile so ngathi waphuma phandle hayi ugele uthi hayi la kancane uyanokonoko luyahlanganisa izinto zakhe ziyahlangana la isefuna ukuya kuma-cruise ship awuhlalwa guys asihlali lapha we move with the movers la iseserious vele ngendawo ama-cruise ship uyayibona nje ukuthi abona impilo yami if izachintsha this is the way to go about it vele usazibona ecruiser lapha neChangu hayi via New York anyway ugele uthi hayi ke ngabe ngilungisa amaphepha monke ahlangana ngabuyela ku-agent lwana ngamnika hawu icela i-reference from umanager wabemnika ukuthi hayi no gele uyabamba uyakwazi ukuyenza into ayenzayo ngale phambili ugele uthi hayi ahambise ifolder lakhe ayenza ama-trainings omela watraine konke kuhle le agent ngathi ayamzwisisi ngani yamthanda yamnika more time than they should really necessarily give her but they seemed to like it I think i-tenacity yakhe you know kuhlale phone ahlale chichi lefikile sokushodana kumele ngenzeni ngizame lokhu ngazama lokhana and she was getting herself in order yabo ugele ufuna ukuya emazweni ugele ufuna ukungena ku-cruise ship hayi ugele uthi after a while finally aphiwa umsebenzi we-cruise ship lwana aqalisa ukuyenza i-induction angithi angikwazi how it works bamnika kuyi-induction kuncane bamthintini uthe esakhona lapho nyasha uthe esakhona lapho in one of their trainings I think before they go onto the ship or they were already in the ship angikwazi ukuthi babe trainer in ship or out of the ship or whatever anyway in part of that training ugele uthi wabe sehlangana lo muntu ngihlangane lo bani lo Thabo antisithe umuntu nguThabo uthi gele ihlangane lo Thabo hayi ke bethe kuhlanganeni lo Thabo laphana hayi belayikhane sibili bafilane kube mnandi kube njalo relationship iqalisa uthi when I first met this guy vele wayenje ngumuntu nje engangihlala eceleni kwakhe edeskini nxa sisenza amakhosi sifundiswa into zethu ze but he was a lovely guy you know he was a lovely guy he was someone wayethanda nje ujoker, someone who was so lovely, but he was also a romantic. Romantic. What are romantic guys? You know, romantic guys. Some days, you know, what's so good? So into the go to a coffee shop and bafika bakwenzeli be coffee lane egg be cappuccino be talk I don't really drink hot drinks. Kumbe kuyini khona khana ukuthi bakuyenza nje kube legwebo phezulu then bese sprinkler something in a shape, either a heart, a flower. Talk we know we drink cappuccino. I don't know what it's called. Anyway. So okay, he would do those. He would go to the shops and specifically get one maybe a flower. Then he would write, or he would Google a poem and it's about flowers and around the cup. Yabo, abise mphathela phana ku training ukuthi luba lami, my flower, the blossom of my lives, you know. Okay. Thank you. Hello back on Facebook. I'm going to try and not respond to your comments during the broadcast because I'm going to take this video and put it on YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna ignore. Hi Nomazulu, hi Nyasha, Losta. Right. So okay, Luti, how you guys? Ukai was yeah, to her that was a romantic thing because into ayengakazayenze look ayemphathela ama coffee atalama shape ama rose ayenje phezulu kumbe ama sunflower, you mama sunshine, you know. So hayi amuwutha uthi hayi la yazazathi fall line heart and sink ngene ngenhliziyo girl. Our love was going very beautifully. Our love was going very nice. We were happy. Sasesikhangelele vele ukuthini. Njengoba vele singabantu abaku training, so sizangena njani esikepeni siyicouple, Mr no Mrs. Akhlalo guys, sama nabambayo. Get it going. Hi, girl. Uthi training iphele babu allocated iship abazahamba kiyo. Bangena on the same ship. Boyithulo lo Thabo uthi hayi singene ku ship laphana, you know, first week of working. Hey ugela uthi sisangibona ukuthi hey kuyasetshenzwa la kulabo mvulo, it is hard work. Uthi sisangangisima ngezinyawo from morning to evening, sometimes ama 14 hours 15 hours kwadlalwa. Thanks a drink njenge drink weta njengoweta. Hayi ugela uthi hayi ke kusetshenzwe a month 2 months i contract yanye 6 months on that ship. So sasisuka lapha siyedoka laphana suke laphana drop abantu ngena abanye kanjalo. It was for 6 months. So uthi hayi ke yena after 2 months she couldn't. Uthi ngangingakwanisi sa I didn't even know, you know, sihlala sisizwa izinto kuthiwa lokhu kuyenzeka kuyenzeka, but I didn't realize ukuthi I was ngangisiba motion sickness. So I didn't enjoy it. Every time ngangihlala ngihlanza hayi ke uthi lamakhiwa lawa agcina sithi ayikhathele, bamnika ama anti nausea medication, bamnike lokhu, but the thing was not subsiding. Uthi ngangiqinisela though ngithi hey umsebenzi ngumuntu omnyama mina ngikho into zesikhiwa, but uthi I was struggling. Isikepe sasisithi nxa sihamba so ngizwe ukuthi yabona ke intakasibanyana uzofa bayekungcwaba shem bazakujikela emanzini udlwe inhlanzi kalokhuzeni. So uthi 2 months into the whole thing iship yabe yathi doka sama utheni wabecela ukuthi hayi mina ngicela ukubuyiselwa ekhaya, mina I can't take it, I can't do it. Uthi ngangigula nxa ngilele on my time off ngalala ngihamba kuma bed laphana ngiyolala nxa sisheka so isikepe sisithi so kungani sichibilekisa mina sibambe mina siyanjuka singichayi upside down left right and center ngihlanze kuze kuthi utheni. Uthi hayi but all that time lo Thabo we were good, we were so happy, we were trying, sasibonana all the time lokuzama ukuthi sithola ama breaks ethu together. Ukuthi liyasikepe lesisodwa did not mean ukuthi liyabonana all the time. Awunyiwa kwakugijinwa kwakusetshenzwa lesikhathi nje sokuthi lithandane sasingekho because nxa off you were running off to go and sleep wawukhathele. So but no, that didn't deter our relationship. We were happy. Sasi right. Hayi ke ugela uthi hayi after 2 months liyana bavumelana lo Thabo ukuthi uyasithini guy mina mokai ngcono nginjani ngidoke off ngisale. Amokai uthi hayi mokai wamconvince ukuthi no asiqedele le 6 months lezi zokuqala, you know, nxa ziphela sizabe sesilama savings. Lo imali yangikhona yayinganingi kangako but sizabe sesilama savings silokumali encane ukuthi wena usuke uphume laphana kade uhlala khona nami ngiphume lapha kade ngihlala khona sidinga ukuliflet nyana wena usale laphana, you know, ungavangava mina ngiphenduke kuship or whatever. They did a kind of like a life okuyi social story lokuyi progression of life kind of plan, a future plan for themselves. The idea was they were going to get married anyway, so sebekhangelela ukuthi I know umngani wami qinisela, it is bad but it's not life threatening really. Yukuhlanza ngitshela ukuthi hayi uGuy sesizadokha laphana, asizadokha laphana. I2 months lezane ngase ngizitshela abakhulu ukuthi hayi mina ngicela ukuthi nxa kule ndlela ukuthi ngibuyele ekhaya lembuyisela ukuthi hayi ngibuyele nje ukuthi hayi ngizaqinisela, it's okay, whatever happens I will try my level best. Nginjani ngiqinisele. Hayi fiki 2 months lana bafike badokhe baphume, uthi saphume esikepeni, it was so beautiful. Thaba baphume Italy kumbe Spain, Italy khona lapha eEurope, uthi saphuma for a day or a day and a half or something, but baphuma ba hang out there, labo bangena emabhawa, you know, bayenza shopping okuncane, you know. Yes, Thapelo, living and working together, sihlala aphuma ba shopper labo basikhupha esilabo futhi wesiba ikhapulu akuthatha ama pictures ama selfie, memories being made and things like that. Hayi ke isikhathi sese break isiphele kasidlanga dlala lapha eEurope, sizosebenza back to on the ship, uthi sifiyele shipping. I think ukuthi uthi I break lani yokuthi baphume off sea and back onto land, yangani try kwenzani, you recalibrate yourself. So yangani iyamqondisa, like iyamlungisa, realigner, so much that when they went back to the ship she wasn't as bad seasickness as she was the previous 2 months. Uthi once in a while if it stays isikepe singalatsha or singadlula ama seas umbethwa ama high seas umbethwa kuyini khona lokho, she would then be sick, but otherwise generally she was okay. Uthi angacabanga ukuthi uyasithini umuntu wami uhlakaniphile, bengizaphuma esikepeni sho ngithi umsebenzi ofuna ngabanye abantwana engawusebenzela kanzima kangaka, but it's not that bad, kuyalungiseka. Hayi ke baha isikepe sihambe lapho, uthando luyachisa luyaqhuma mama kunzima kuraf. Hayi uthi 6 months izikwane siphenduke eJozi sifike Stokhe siyehle baphiwe anti bayehla baphume 3 months kube bese betshela ukuthi hayi uzabhalelwa kumbe within 6 weeks abanye nqabele nhlanhla or something baphiwa another assignment, another ship to get into and continue working. Uthi yena vele wahla sitshela ukuthi hayi yabona kwama cruise ship ngiyabonga, thanks ngi right, I'm not going back. Yabo evumelene lo husband ukuthi this is what they are going to do, ukuthi hayi ugela unjani, lokhana ukugula kade kuyenza hayi ngona hlale athatha umhlala phansi ugeli 6 months selithola kuyi akungumhlala phansi udede athi no zakusupporta wena my muntu ngawari my income plus yakho yongwava we should be okay. Asoze sibele stress singako siwe young couple asilabantwana black taxi la yakhanya ayingabachayi kangaka. She didn't say much about their extended families, parents, sisters and anything like that. Hayi brand uthi hayi ke siyehle lapha nesikepeni sihambe sibe lokuyi sikhathi sethu senzana off. Uthabo is off for about 2 months. Akazange qede 3 months. I remember she said ukuthi azange qede 3 months. I think after about 8 weeks he gets a call and he's deployed onto another ship ehambayo. Hayi uthabo veleni ukusebenza yakufuna, you know, ukulungiselela impilo yakusasa ukhanya ngumuntu o future oriented, kafuna into zokudlala. Hayi ugela uthi ngisale lapha ngiqalise futhi kwenzani ukuthenga ngithengisa ngicabanga ukuthi ngibe ngiyele restaurant ngithintini. In that 2 months when they talked, when they were at home, they decided to move in together. So baphuma like wherever they had been living separately, bahamba bayadinga iflat abalihlala boyi2. So they base bekhipita kahle nje, they went and cohabited. Ngesilungu they were cohabiting. Yeah. Ayugel uhamba uhusband ahambi ku deployment ayosebenza, umamzo asithethe umhlala phansi usezoba ngumkhwabanist uzabe thenga ethengisa, and if she feels like it she might go back and try and find uthi angangizitshela ukuthi if ukuthengisa kungazange kwaletha enough income as I would like to have, what I will do is Wiela ngidinga umsebenzi restaurant, because obviously now she's got experience both from having worked at that restaurant before she went onto the ship and the experience at ship. Sure, she's quite confident ukuthi hayi ke nxa plan A fails I'll have plan B, so she's okay. Uthi hayi ke uyazi ukuthi anti umoga uhambe for 6 months ugela uthi hayi first 2-3 weeks isihambe kuhle sometimes ngakwanisa ukufona. The one thing that they hadn't thought of, because last time they were on the ship together, says because last time sasiku ship song, we didn't think about communicating with how it would work when one of us is on and one of us is off. So it became very stressful because half the time Utabo sometimes wouldn't have a network, he wouldn't have a signal, and sometimes you having a lot data or something for WhatsApp calls and video calls, and it was stressful, but at the same time not that much stressful. They were coping, you know, ngama calls and allow ngena in between, drop in, on, off, what. But I started to, I started to think ukuthi I miss umuntu wami, ngangasakujayelanga ukuphila ngingelaye. Hey, girl guys wayesemathandeni uthi I miss my man, every day I longed for his calls. I would send him messages even if it take one ngikwazi ukuthi la azafikela khona ku network ama messages amazangena, messages of love. I love you, I miss you, good morning babe, how are you, how was you yesterday, tell me ukuthi ukuhamba njani khona ngapho, good afternoon, utshone njani umuntu wami, ulale kuhle umuntu wami. Lovely galerato. Okay. So indawo esasitholile when we moved was indawo yayili flat, but the flat like elingekho ground floor, more like second floor or so, and you had neighbors upside down, left, right, center. So you had neighbors at the ground, you had neighbors on top of you. I think it was a 3-story, so I go second floor, will a third. Then obviously there would be neighbors in both sides of hers. So obviously now mama one day he comes to work endlini awulamagetsi. What? How? Kanjani? Hawuthi ngizama ukulayitha, ngizama ukubamba lokho, ngizama ukubamba lokho, khana ngingabi kwazi ukuthi kade kuciche ngaphi, kulayithwa ngaphi. So ugela uthi hayi ke inkonzo isipindi because kuntambama. Inkonzo isipindi ngihambe next door mfike ngikokode kokokoko. Kuvula omunye ubaba, asalibonani yebo. Hawu. Hey, Mukeli wa next door. Ngihlala ngubona ungena uphuma, hayi qalisa ukuxoxisana. Uthi kwakungasomuntu enganjalo umbona because mina ngangasomuntu okuphuma phandle. Angiphuma ngithengisa izinto zami, phenduke endlini fana umnyango chu. Ngizibukelela iShowmax. Angikwazi ukuyibukelana, but anyway, ugeli wayengusomuntu hang out a lot, so ama neighbors akhe amaningi wayengela like sort of a relationship with them, wayengabazi kangako. Sengaba kwazi ukuthi next door ngapha kulo mama labantwana lendoda ayifamily, next door ngapha kulo baba lendoda phezulu, because she's seen them come and go, but engela that maybe kulabo hello hi khona lokho kuphelela khona lapho, kungela any deeper relationships like that, or friendships. Let me not say relationship, friendships like that. So uthi hayi ngaqonga isipindi ngakho kodwa next door salibonani yebo, awu sisohlala next door ye, bengicela ukuthi lingisize bakithi ngifike endlini lapha ugetsi ucimile, so angikwazi ukuthi what's happened. Hayi umdala wenkosi, asomdala ngumuntu nje ongalukhulakhulile, slightly older than uBrenda. Athi okay wathi ngukhangelele mbona, abuye endlini afike lapha nethi okay lapha kumenzi what explain isibaba. I explaining isibaba ukuthi anyway utshela umuntu ongazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani, so he explains ukuthi hayi khanya kule fuse edukileyo mbeqhamukileyo something emdulini khona lapho yenzeni kwatripha kwacicha. So I said no, I think in lawa ama extra fuses endlini mina, let me get you one ngutshintshele leya sonto engathanga ukuthi ngase njalo ivalo ngisitsokomele into electric ibhadala ngayiphi imali thina siyaseva la atlas ka sokubhadalela ama fuse. Ababalana ethi hayi ifuse ngilawa ama extra lapha ahamba ethatha ifuse abuye lapha kukuru efaka ifuse yakhe cha, and then there was light. Ugela uthi hayi ngiyabonga surely manje ngilibiza banathi abangani mama abaningi bambiza samamo, la usungumngane wami ungambiza samamo. Hayi ngiyabonga samamosha inkosi kusisa awusamamo. No girl, if you ever need anything, kathi lapha nawuhlala lomkakho waya ngaphi. I used to see a guy wayengena lapha ephuma, and then ugela uthi next night no besisebenza ama cruise ship, so mina ngisele yena wahamba this time. Ugel athi hayi mina ngasala yena wahamba, I took a break. Uthi hayi sixoxe nje ngimtshele nje experience yami yesemazweni. you know, nasahamba, you know, same Portugal, senza so, sahamba, saye Hawaii, senza so, things like that. I'm talking some more like, nice, you know, it's very nice to have experiences of life like that. Okay, looking at, okay, no, John, if you ever need anything at all, okay, do not hesitate to knock at my door. Okay, let's okay, I'm sure. Bye. How to continue kunjalo, and then from there, a relationship, a friendship, lo samamo, a sort of become sort of like a lifeline. So kwesisikhathi ingcini bathi bengena usamamo la uyevela emsebenzini la uyevela somewhere la kade thengisa khona mbevela water or whatever, bachayisane maybe egedini bemnyango bame baxoxe then the friendship progressed into invitana into the flats. She uti through that conversations lana through our conversations akhe lo samamo lapha she gathers ukuthi usamamo ulo namamo ohlala ekhaya ezim and unamamo prefers ukuhlala ekhaya and usamamo has been living this side by himself for many years according to him. Vele namamo into zegole azifuni yabo. So after a while, sometimes after a year or so, Samamo goes home for a couple of weeks, aphenduke and things like that. But la yakwabanisi yangwava uzama ukuhlanganisa impilo. And impilo ayihlangani, as you all know. Impilo ayihlangani financially sometimes. Impilo yabinjani yabingahlangani. But he is happy in his space. And okay, lutha ayisiqalise ke kube bisenzana shama invitewana kuhanjwa kungenwa kuphunywa ukuthi sometimes lami ngizapheka nginjani ngiphakulule xa ngilokusele ngimphakule la isamamo, you know, lama number ayese exchange this time sengena ku WhatsApp chomi unga sekhona xa khona hayi ke ngiphekile lapha buyudle. But brand uthi at that point we were literally just friends. There wasn't anything between me and this guy like him you Brenda ngiyimi lo samamo, and it was a situation naleyo we were both but living as a single person, but ngilo muntu wami somewhere else. But I never really had a time where I thought no. But obviously, I think usamamo like I say but they were talking like a month into having met each other the first time. Usamamo was getting more and more confident, more and more, you know, in her life, like base so involved in each other's lives. Look auntie base uthi sase sivini sengikwazi ukuthi namhla usebenza ishift so wase bekwazi even lama shift ukuthi kusasa ngiyavuka nginjani ngilama jesi amabuyayo evela eDragon City kumbirana yami yakweTsotjobek ifaka amajesi ami so ngizavuka ekuseni ngiyocollecta amajesi lawana, then vele ngilama customer ngoba ngumuntu onjani uthi ngangi advertiser on WhatsApp groups, even kuma status ami wayesela ama regular kind of customer. So kulabanye abasebewoda kuye futhi ugele hey engu entrepreneur warehouse up wena she wasn't wayengalalanga wayethe. But at the same time, konke khona lokho kusenzakala, she's still in touch lobani lo Thabo uthando labo vele lokho lubhubhudla uThabo le cruise ship le Thabo kala network guys. Yes, gakho Thabo. Okay, Thabo is not here. I think my fuse. So okay, uthi yena hayi ke sisa as life would make it I relationship yami lo samamo iqala ungani iyayecela ngangale because we are both silonely kahle, you know, all this time that we spend talking about our people. Most of the time uthi asithi singahlangana or mina ngahamba endlini yakhe ngiyovakatsha kumbe ngambize chomi buya ngibuye maybe levoros ngiyawosa lapha buya ngihambe khona ngale. When I'm there we talk about our people, but how much can we talk about a person really eqinisweni kuya kufede ugcina indaba zankona zingasekho, especially ezikaThabo. What more can you tell a person about uThabo? Cruise ship that's why he is akukho kunye ukuthi ngibizolo lo Thabo sibukele uthando nesithembo bese uThabo cruise ship yabo. So ugela uthi hayi kuye indaba zikaThabo lo namamo really becomes boring. Sesiqalisa ukukhuluma ngathi, you know, Samamo is asking questions like umntwana ongangawe uthi at that time I was like she must have been like 28 or so, because ukhuluma ukuthi she's 30 now. So athi hayi ke what I then did ukuthi uSamamo aqalisa ukuthi umntana omncane kulong njengawe so umhle so, you know, it's not very safe ukuthi umuntu akuchiye wedwa, especially umuntu enjani engakhophelanga. Samamo aqalise nje kube khuluma indaba zakhe ezingaqedakaliyo, kube engani uyafleta but kube lokho ebuya lo ngama James nje okuncane kokuthi ya uyabona wena umfazi wami wena ngabe ngizawuzisalisa every year. Laiza guys, I remember she said that statement ukuthi one time he said that ukuthi mina ngavela ngumuntu wami ngangumfazi wami vela I wouldn't risk you just living like this, you know, nguchiye wedwa like this. Bengidachiya ngomithisile mina every time mbuya ubeletha ngichiya ngomithisile siya kule cruise. I wouldn't risk ukuthi ube free like this, umuntu omuhle kangaka. Hayi ke uSamamo vele ungena ngenxeba njengempethu, yabona inceba likhona lapho uSamamo in between. USamamo apparently wasn't an old person. In her narration she speaks of him as if umuntu bephakathi kuma 40s, so bengasomuntu omdala. You know, bengasomuntu omdala uSamamo, bengumuntu nje kuye ube ngumuntu omdala. He was about 15 years older than her, so maybe singathi ube kubo 43 40 something la ugela bese siyalanda kama 30s akhe. Hayi ugela uthi iqale ke indaba kaSamamo labantwana ukuthi kwathini what, so you know mina lawe, you know before you know it inside phakathi so ungena ezingutsheni. Relationship takes a spin, but I saw relationship per se eyokuthi sesithandana. Hayi, I think ukuthi yena in her mind, in her sense, she was thinking ukuthi uSamamo is more of a I don't know what you call it, basizana kahle, you know, ba lonely, balezindlala, you know, and things like that. So keluthi i-relationship ithathu left turn. Hayi ke uThabo yebo uloke fona here and there. Ugeli uthi hayi ke ngoba phela impilo injalo futhi. Hayi, because life will life you. Ugeli uthi sisa i-life lana i-life lana was it was okay, it was balancing. She was in love with someone else, fully vested in this other relationship, Lotabo, and looking forward to him coming back. But also on the other end, she was solely and truly lonely. I think she craved, you know, attention. Lotabo had been so fully vested in her. Surprise, you know, emenzela khona lokho. So for her life yakhe balanced in that sense. This is still balancing and that is still balancing. She was looking forward to uThabo coming back, and uthi sisa at that point vele ngase ngiqalisa ucabanga ukuthi no, uThabo ngangcono ngivula kuyishop unyana nxa ebuya vela ngabuyeli, because really mina I can't take 6 months of him being away from home. I miss him, and khonokho sporadic communication as well layo uthi kwesisikhathi zathi sikhuluma ifoni ikhathe hayi vele kwakuyisishipi nje vele. Hayi ugela uthi hayi ke continue nje siyenza nganthawu namamo lo Samamo, but then uSamamo doesn't say much really about uNamamo. Remember, all she had from the end at the beginning of their knowing each other was that uNamamo asomuntu othanda igoli, uNamamo vele ngumuntu ongabuyiyo egoli, ngumuntu njani ohlalele ekhaya. But uBrenda doesn't really know ukuthi uSamamo labantwana mangaka phongwazi ukuthi uSamamo, which means kulo mama somewhere, right? So uthi bakholise bephila bayiphilayo lo Samamo ngapha, ephile iphilayo lo Thabo ngapha. uThabo la is lonely on his side every time efona baby unjani, video call ngubone kuhambani, I miss you my baby, khaya ukuthi umuhle njani, can't wait to come back home, xa ngiphenduka kumele sihambe ekhaya, ngiyokhupha inkomo ngiyokuthela ngenyongo. uThabo uyaplana guys, akadlali. Funa ukuyathela umntana abantu ngenyongo, funa ukuyambika edlozini, yeah, akudlala umntana abantu ngapha yena ubhizi shayo ngamna nkoSamamo khona ba. Anyway, ugela uthi hayi a month 2 months into the new thing lo samamo aqalisa sickness. Iqala motion sickness. Iqala sickness. Ugela uthi hayi ngiqalise ngisathi food poisoning kumbe ngidleni. Ngiqalise ngisathi kathi kuyini yazi isisu sami sihlali phansi ngihlale ngasiko right. Ayi azi Mjolo the pandemic. Ugela uthi aqalisa ukuba le motion sickness on land. Abe le sickness. Aqalisa ukunukela izinto. Yazi chicken. Yo, liphekani. Yo, into lipheka yahambelana leso sami. Ave. Kongathi thiki lasekhanda ukuthi kungabe kuyini engathangani. Yena belokhe ezitshela ukuthi kukhona manje engasavumelani lakho. Remember, this is not a person who's from the sound of things, whose life experienced like that. Hayi, ngumuntu nje wazibuyela ekhaya wasihlalele eJoza wasebenza eJoza yamkhafula wadlula waye Cape Town. Ngumuntu nje okade njani okade engela life experience like this, which is why I feel like uSamamo laye wakubona okuyi-naivety kwangikhona ukuthi lapho umuntu komnyama ubambile lapha, because you know, yes, because even nxa elo Samamo, she would talk so lovingly about uThabo, you know, muntu wami ngiyamthanda, you know, ngithumela message endlela ami, you know, I was, but lo Samamo morphed into that wabona ukuthi yazi ngizilele komnyama bambile lapha ethi singene no Samamo morning sickness, motion sickness, sea sickness. Awuthi after a little while hayi sickness le ayipheli angithi uSamamo kayinanzeleli kayiboni la kakayi clock sickness le. Ugela uthi ngizathu so week after a few weeks apha lesikhathi siyahamba both sides angithi sihamba siphinde sihambe luni uphenduka kaThabo. Hayi ugela uthi hayi ke ngizitshela ukuthi okay hayi ithi ngiyebona udoctor into le man hayi is not make sure ithi ngiyebona udoctor ngoba ngizafa. Ugela uthi ngihambe udoctor afike have you done a pregnancy test? No. Ugela unaive lo athi no yena ucabangela ukuthi hayi uThabo kakho kuthi ukuthi uteka Samamo ayibalwa. No, not really, no bothered. Ngila problem guy udokotela ethi hayi ke vele ngama symptoms wa explain izinto ezikhuluma siqale khona. That's where we starting. Siqala khona te. If we take that one off then sesingadila ngonyone kodwa siqala khona ngale ko pregnancy. Uthi ke ngihambe ngiyothenga istick iclicks lapha nahambe endlini mfike ngichamele egabheni ngilichiye lapha uvalo soliqala ukuthi hayi kuyathatha istick sithi jwe boom 2 lines awe mamila ama-line. Ugela athi hayi bo into engizoyithini lena yo uvela afike ngambizanga ngambindeli into engizoyithini lena. Ugela uthi hayi ke aqala ayigcine to herself indaba angatsheli umuntu uvalo bum ngoba the implications of this are massive. They are massive. Acabanga ukuthi manje uSamamo ngimtshele ngingamtsheli uThabo ke na uzathini. So qala phela calculator lezikhathi ukuthi uThabo yabuya in 2 months 8 weeks. Ugela uthi hayi ngihlale lokhuzeni yami le secret yami for a little while. At the end ugela uthi ngibona ukuthi ngizahlana. So uthi hayi lo mngani wakhe sizathu umngani wakhe mebhungu uDorothy bizo lakhe. Hayi ugela uthi ahambe atshela uDorothy guy asike sihlangane bahlangane. Ugela uthi ngifike kumke ngithi mke lapha sokule inkingi ye problem la. Ugela athi kuyini uthi ngimtshele ngimlandise lidaba lami njengoba ulazi lami ukuthi sizoThabo wahamba bese ngithola ubunye ubudlelwana obungathi ngobungathangani lo sakamamo lapha next door manje nazi inkinga ke. What are we going to uthi ngathi what are we going to do ngani ngesethu umngani wathi isikhathi sendaba ngaka usasithi uThabo uzakubulala nxa uzakuyala uthi ngivele I did not want to even contemplate a situation where uThabo left my life. Lapho ke yikho engangazimiselanga khona. Umngane athi hi, the only option ekhona, well, ama option mathathu to begin with. Option number 1 is uyahamba udokotela ephiwa amaphilisi and they remove the baby. Option number, but at this time isikhathi esihambile akusayenzi probably akakayenzi isikani sokuyamtshela ukuthi how many weeks usekwazi nje ukuthi pregnancy but akakabi kwazi ukuthi how long lay but la uyayibona ukuthi leyayichayi ngoba ubhampu sembona sometimes ukuthi anyway. Option number 2, usutshela bani usamamo inkinga yeproblem leyo sihlanganelayo libe selikhulumelana lina libona ukuthini lizayenzani loyithu nxa yena evuma ukuthatha umthwalo wena girl uhle ubuthi isishopha sakho uphume lapha endlini uThabo ethe phenduka uvele ungasekho uhlumyale umbumyana ngefoni kumbe uyenzani but angawutholi lapha uvele ukhathayize with him. Awugela uthi level option number 2 ngahle ngayi discount very fast and furious akuvela kula option engiyifunayo engela Thabo phakathi anjo. So option number 2 sesimdiscussile samyala. Option number 3, you try and pull the wool over uThabo nxa ebuye, because uThabo uzabuye afika ahlala isikhathi esincane 8 weeks or 12 weeks, 2 to 3 months before abuyele. Now you need to convince uThabo ukuthi kumele abuyele esikepende sakhe. Lokhana ukuthi siyavula ishop sihlale we miss each other, discount that. Now you need ukuthi uThabo nxa ephenduka la ubusumplantela into yokuthi uThabo needs to go back and raise funds for you guys to do ABCDEFG. That way uThabo nxa ephandle le esesikepeni, what you're going to do is say nxa ungasalubeletha zathi umntwana ole premature. Nxa uThabo esande seyabuya umntwana wamntwana esekhulile uzabona la enza lesibayeni yakho. Awugela lithanda icebo leli athi hayi mina ngihamba ngo-option 3 mina ngihamba ngo-option 3 kodwa ugirl aphinda athi hayi loba ngihamba ngo-option 3 maybe u-option 2 part A I would like to use that. Option 2 part A plus option 3 will make sense to ugirl or naive. Option 2 part A is usamamo atshelwe ukuthi sokunenkinga problem la, but do not worry, asoze ngikuhluphe ansoze ngifune anything from you, just know ukuthi this is what has happened and I will try and ship this to bani to uThabo. Reason being angifuni ukuchithela la umtshado wakho and so how gela bone kuyi hayi ugela bone vele kuthini le indaba ezasebenza le. I mean usamamo has no responsibility in this whole thing yabo. So gela bavumelana ukuthi hayi option 2 part A plus option 3 isilima zibonsandlela. Hayi ugela uthi ke sivumelana ukuthi hayi ngizahlala a couple of days ngi think about it over, but that's the route that I'm going to take. Hayi ugela uthi sisa hayi ke lifikile ngene ngasosithutha ngidisa ngicabanga ukuthi usamamo njengoba kuyi Friday kunje, so usually unjani umuntu orelaxayo ngoba usually ngama Saturdays kasebenzi uyavuka eChurch kanje usamamo ube li I think 12 apostolic church, but bengena ngeSaturday, not I'm apostolic Zion kind of situation, but bengena ngama Saturday. So vele Fridays he was usually a chilled person after work. So gela cabanga ukuthi now that's the best time to tell him Friday ntama, you know, ready for church and lahle ngimshine igaxa sendaba, and I don't think ukuthi buzabona problem. I mean I'm not going to break up his marriage, I'm not going to impose on him ukuthi agcina umntwana. Ngiyamtshela ukuthi you've got a child coming in the way, but ungahluphi, I'll sort it out. Ugela has it all in her head nje kuhlangene ku right. Ugela uthi Friday ntambama haya gqoke la isigqoko esingani siyabamba phela ukuthi sitshengise ibhampu kwenza ukuthi samamo vele ahlala sibone Pluma fat bebhisi izicebele. Uthi hayi ke ngithanda ishapa sami nomkhawa wami omutsha hambe kosamamo ufike ngiqoqoda kukukuku hayi inyango ngiqoqoda ungabi nomuntu othi maybe I wasn't ready for this. Abuyele endlini uthi angibuyele endlini fonela uThabo wa happy sixoxa ngihle ngiqalise kunonkolo indaba lana ukuthi Jomi yazi bengicabangani kulenye flat elithengiswayo laphana, so you know ukube sirenta is not a good way to live. You know nxa singabantu abazafuna ukuinvesta, maybe nxa ungaphenduka wena unjani silungisa izinto ubuyele uye ukuthi eyakho imali vele sigcina ibe ngama savings, umholo wakho ube ngama savings, and then uThabo la hayi azwakala elikhwabithi idea leyo ukuthi kuthakabuyele esikepeni. Ata baby lami vele into enjani engangicabanga ukuthi sonke sihlala endlini. Of course ukuba kuma cruise ship lapha is not good, it's a long time away from each other, but also le mali yangikhona iso mali echisayo, but kuyasiphilisa. You know wena leyo wena oyisebenza yenzani, isebenza ukubhadala irent lo ngama bills nyana kwakho khona lokho, then eyami sithatha sisave for ukulobola plus. I think it's an ingenious idea mina ukuthi sizithengele iflat lethu rather than to space rent ugelati. Hey, episode 3 part 1. Hayi. Sokusho 10 ukuthi umoya okusayide ngalatshela. Hayi. Uthi hayi ke usamamo Friday ngingambona. Saturday usamamo ngingambona. Hayi. Kathi umuntu lo ngithumezela ama text. Ngiyabluthikwa. Hey, what is going on now? Awuthi ngibona ama text amangena, ama WhatsApp ayangena. Ushapo blue tick. Ola ukhona yini endlini mina ongafika endlini blue tick. Hey, hi, right, blue tick. Uthi ngithi hawo. Ngike ngafika endlini yakho ngakho kodwa unge blue tick. Ungafika endlini ngicela ubuye uzoxoxa ukuye kimi lapha kulento emvuka uxoxela. Blue tick. Okay, uthi ngithi hawo. Mhlolo muni lo mvelelayo. Sange protectwa. Thangi joking ngibhala ukuthi hawo nga blue tick kwako ku right konke. Blue tick. Who blue tick? Jolo, Abafana the boys. Uti the whole weekend I don't see him. I don't hear anything from the guy. But uti I wasn't a stalker like that. Uti thaseng zachona ngikuthi le winti namele ukuthi ngezwe isikhiye next door skhala ngiphume ngigijima no. Hayi. Uthi hayi ngahlala ngathi hayi whatever is happening unjani ngizambona. Monday morning ugela uthi usamamo wayengena sometimes late. I don't know what his job was, but wayengangeni like early morning. So sometimes she would wake up esiye emabhasini lawana ama-runners antabe ethenga izinto over the weekend. Sunday bafake ebhasini yantambama izafika ngeMonday ekuseni. Uthi anxa ngivuke ekuseni ngisithi ngiya ukuyaphika izinto zami. Ngisongani kule voice yakhulumayo kosamamo lapha ntawo kathi khona. Hayi man. Ithi ngindlani ngidlule ngiqokoda ngisithi hey hi. Okay, uthi ngithi koko. Please keep typing the screen ngapha. Uthi ngifike lapha ngithi koko. Vele uyabona ke nxa ukuthi into ayikho la sengqondweni la sekhandeni lakho. Vele uyabungayicabanganga ngitsho la kanca. Uthi vele ngingumuntu odlulayo nje ngithi ushapo ngiza kubona ntambama. Umnyango kwahamba. Vuliyana umuntu ongumama. Sabonani? Who linjani? Ukuzobuza umuntu ukuthi who are you ezilo wasowakho. Uthi ngethuka. Ngafuna ukuthi unguba linjani. Samamo khona. Thatha hayi samamo kakho. Unjani ngubani? Ngathi hayi ngihlala next door. Tawo okay. Ugela uthi nxa ngithi ngiyatha. Nawamo uzithwele. Nawamo la uyitwele sila. Maybe uzobeletha mbuzo thenga preparation yokugcina. Sila. Athi hayi. Uzamama utheki mina. Uhamba ekhaya after a couple of years. So, uthi ngizama ukukhalculate ukuthi alright. How is this possible? Because uyamo katswange ekhaya ahambe ekhaya phela since mnambe emazindi past. Ho kumbe sasaba uthi ngithi methe zangichaza ngiyisa lapha sengimile khona phana ngizama ukukhalculate isisu somuntu. Uthi hayi vele uthi uvalo hlelo njalo ungeqela ungimisela ngangangale. Angazi ukuthi maybe I don't even know mina ukuthi uBrenda wayicabangani really about this whole situation. I don't know. Anyway, uBrenda uthi hayi ke ngithwaliswa pha sami ngivalelise ngihambe. Hayi, uthi ngithi ngisendleleni. Anti phela usuthukuthele sethukuthele ugeli. Sami endleleni fa. So this is why you've been ignoring me. Sithumela ama WhatsApp. Answer my call. This is why you've been ignoring me. Umfazi wakho ukhona. Ubukhwele. Gunguru. Ubukhwele. ugeli uthi rear is head angakwanisi ukuthi azibambe uthi ngihambe ngithumela ama message hayi yena wayechilo kodwa usamama ukuthi mina ivela ngilamfazi ohlale ngamithaya mimithisa all the time angeke nguthi umuhle ugeli uBrenda uthi ngathi ngimkhangela umama hayi somuntu omdala why size nje slightly older than me, beautiful, you know, khanye ngumuntu obebekileyo in the 5 seconds then alane ngangimile ngitshaye isiyes ngimkhangele, you know, seemed very demure. Ayugela uthi hambe sengithumela ama message mama abe awula ma replies angena kuphela you are such an idiot hlalisa isikhathi sami wathi wena unamamo wena what sambe bhala phela into zakhe ziyaqedali kwele sobuthe hayi ugela uthi ngihambe ngikholethe izinto zami ngitshone ngithengisa but yazi ingqondo vele kayihlangananga ishayisi upside down khona lapha ekhanda ngikwazi vele ukuthi ngicabangeni hayi manje kathesi phela usechaya ukuthi episode 2 part A akasayenzeki because akusoze phela hamba iphokotha usamama yamtshela ukuthi ngizithola umfazi wakhe khona yabo asakwazi manje ukuthi ayenze njani ukuthi manje ngenzeni ngiscrape yokumtshela kumbe ngikhona I don't know asakwazi she's debating in her head what to do because iplan lakhe existence now ngana lisoze lisahamba selichabalala njalo so isahamba ngendlela and insuku zikabani zikamo guys ukuthi aphenduke ziyasondela and lesi silokho esikhula sikhanya so kuzaba nzima futhi lokuthi uThabo abuye lapho zami umconvince ukuthi ngumkhaya ay kurafu shemezwe nomjolo ogela useqalisa ukubona ukuthi uthi hayi ngiqalisa ukubopha umngane umngela isengimtshela situation kaSamama wathi ngebopha isisu leso uThabo uzade kuyasabe sengakhanyi kangako yabo uzade hamba yebo usuzabo usungabe kubo how many months kodwa kuyabe kungakhanyi ukuthi ku how many months wababa uRaf phandle la so ugela uthi hayi ngiqandisa ukubopha isisu lesakho hayi kathe sengi-anticipate ukubuya kaThabo sembonile ukuthi uplan Samamo isozangisebenzela uSamamo at this point vele kasamkhulumisi at all. He doesn't respond to a message blockanga or anything, and somehow they no longer meet. Lokana ukuthi awusibala ama coincidence okuhlangana eminyango ngithi ngiyathi ngiyangena ngithole la engkhona eChayiskia hayi akusekho mina ngibona into Samamo wayembona ngewindi le balcony lapha nengene egedini ahlaphume la eminyango azokuma lapha nazenzo sanda kufika ukade vele ezicambalelele endlini aChayiskia ethi house ahlangana futhi sisomuhle usizibamtha ngesitata anyway ugela uthi Samamo vela sesahlangana khona eminyango yabo imbizanya zizwa zikhala but obviously sengikwazi ukuthi ngumani ophekayo once in a while maybe ngiyahlangana lo namamola echama phaca akhe kochop esiyathengisa inkwambe siyathenga idrink but no more than that kwakusela that contact ngaphi lo neighbor ugela uthi hayi ke ngiqinisele uThabo emafonini izinto sezingani ziyahamba because sebesendleleni sebephenduka uthi sometimes manje ngisithi ngisefonini sho ngikhangele ngize ngizizwe ngisithi mayi babo yazi ngithi ngiyasikhangela ngisibona ngani sesilapha ngeke ngale besithi akukhanyi wena akukhanya kudlulile umkhaba lokho abantu balemkhaba labantu balemkhaba phandle lapha akujampisi duduza abangakujampisi mnganezi hayi you can do this akujampisi lokho wena bopha nje vele uqinisele ugela uthi hayi ke yenze njengokuba siyenza iplan labangani uDorothy lebe miyena abuye kuThabo ngilanga nje libekiweyo ukuthi hayi ke 6 months ziyaphela umuntu uyadoka kurukudugu uThabo abuye ugela uthi hayi ke phela la there's 2 things that are going to happen. uThabo if he's going to pick on this is the first day nginqunula umzila suthela the first day nginqunula is the first day uThabo zabona situation sakhe but engabona ukuyekela ukuphika khona phana hayi sizabo hayi siyayidlala igame sagembule ugela uthi hayi ke uThabo adoke uyehlela eDurban then he flies to Cape Town and then I meet him at the airport and wow ugela uthi hayi ke ngihambe ngehlangana umuntu wami yazi inhliziyo lamaphaphu shepherd dance you know I love this guy you know I'm so happy to see him I'm so disappointed in myself in what I've done you know this was not meant to go the way it's going now keep pressing the clicking on the screen otherwise was a drop TikTok so ngicela uthi hayi ihlangano noThabo vela khanye vele happy to meet his girl, hugs, kisses, all the lot, emphathele impahla emhambeka ukuthi do ayihambe sithi ngadoke ethengele umuntu wakhe something beautiful and nice, something new, something what. So how Thabo vele u happy, they are happy. Unjani ugirl wayihlala phela uthi sisa asivele sihleza athenga ilight elidimlele bedroom eli romantic light eli romantic la selifakiwe lapha nebhawu bedroom njengokuvumelana labangani ukuthi hayi lapho umuntu lo mele abe isiphofu for as long as it takes. Awugela uthi indaba yangikhona abuye uThabo sihambe endlini everything is as it is, angajampiswa ilutho for some reason, maybe ukhathele, you know. I guess now puma from the sea to land, sometimes you need to, like we said, recalibrate yourself. uThabo is tired constantly, umuntu ofuna ukutshone lele, you know, besebenza nzima and stuff, but so far so good. Ayikajampi indaba leya, ayikajampi. Ugela uthi hambone 2 days 3 days mbona ukuthi yazithini I could get away with this. How Thabo like at some point when he notices, he sort of says yo ndoda uphila mnandi yo nomkhaba osungaka umele uye ejimini. Ugela te xa usithi ngumkhaba, that's it. Ugela uthi hayi ke lami umkhaba wami ngibe ngiyenze ngikwenzayo ngokopha ukuthi ungaphumi kakhulu lapha sokushaya countdown, constantly asking ukuthi abakukubhaleli awukabuyeli abakubhaleli bathini ubuyela nini, things like that angithi. So uThabo live vele is not bothered, like no babes yazithini nga register. So I next available ship ngivele ngabatshela ukuthi and the next one, you know, the next one is what is as soon as isiba khona is available, I'll be in it and going back. Okay, uthi ngithi all right. Okay, uthi is continue kuhlale nje 2 3 weeks 4 weeks 5 weeks 6 weeks 7 weeks xa sokusathi 8 weeks. uThabo khanya vele yena wayethola ama deployment akhe ngama 2 months instead of, I don't know how long it is. I thought ukuthi I've heard people saying ukuthi uba le 3 months off then usukade sinye istimela escape. So hayi ke in all that time uThabo sekhona, once in a while they've bumped into Samamo. Hayi ke uSamamo I pretend kuthawa Samamo I pretend ungantu avela ugeli kamazi abingele uThabo Jake uright kuthini lapho ngezu uthangithani thangubani not Mrs. what name was he calling ngezwa I'll remember the name akade yisho akade sidwa imbiza yona ngezwe uSpanimani esithi, you know, ukuhawuza kwezikepe usezikepeni, you know, njani umadam ngezwe umadam esithi, you know, usezikepeni hayi ke ngeke ngatshintshi fuse here and there. So uSamamo wants ukuthi if ever there is a familiarity that comes across uThabo angajampiseki abe kwazi ukuthi no guy benjani beke uThabo la no uyazithini nguwe I remember iday lana, you know, uBrenda sithi ufika endlini kumnyama wacela someone nguwe hayi kube njalo abantu laba beqalisa unganithaba bayachomana babonda njengamadoda. Hayi vovo babonda njengamadoda ke sebe siba labo ngolobungani. uBrenda uthi ngibona ukuthi mina ubungani babantu laba bayi2 ambufuni vele. I don't want those 2 people getting to be friends because the way uSamamo was saying ignore ngayo uSamamo senza abantu akangazi. Okay, usecabanga I don't know ukuthi ugirl wayefuna uSamamo wathi nede ngambona ethi hey swiri or something. I don't know ukuthi ugirl wayefuna. Your husband is here, your boyfriend is here, and he's talking about ukuthi okay this time ubuye ediniwe, a lot has happened, so they didn't get a chance yokuthi abazali babe involved in the situation again because he had wanted ukuthi nxa ephuma escape this time bahambe ekhaya ayilobola bayevela something officialized the relationship, but they never got time to do that. They spent more of a time together, you know, hanging out together. Okay, like trying to enjoy her man enjoying his girl, in the mix of insecurity. Yabo hayi ke luthi ngibona abo baba laba bangi2 kanjani sebesiba ngabangane ngingayithandi vele friendship yangikhona, but you can't do nothing. But then unamamo like asambona bona, so kala sure akafunda kubuza phela ukuthi and then unamamo unga, so uyabetongorela la esizwa nxa ukhulunywe ezamulalela inkulumo ukuthi ithi ukhona yini unkosikazi umbe akekho. But anyway, life is lifing, sisu is coloring, time is moving. Ubani uThabo has to go back. So isikhathi sokuthi uThabo ahambe uThabo alungiselele ukuhamba. You know, I was really heartbroken ukuthi ahamba because I know ukuthi it's almost half a year of him being gone. We've known each other almost, you know, at this point we've known each other almost 3 years, 18 months plus. I'm a month when he's been off, so it's 2 months plus, 2 years plus that we've known each other. But we haven't spent that much. Besides the 6 months that I spent together on the ship, they've only seen each other 8 weeks between, and then another 8 weeks again. So they haven't spent that much time in those almost 3 years that they've been together. And obviously, so kunengosi ebuyayo uThabo angazi ngayo. Ugela uthi hayi nxa uThabo esezahamba lapha. Ugela besithi hantu phela labangane bela abana abanjengo Thaphelo. Hayihambe kuye indlela yonke. Ugela athi bengezwa sharp, so this is what happened. And uThabo i-pregnancy test. uThabo ajawule afe fifi ukuthi unkosikazi wakho uzithela. uThabo aqalisa ukuthi manje baby ishuwa nxa sesimene sikanje ngikuchiye wedwa. Yo gela bona ukuthi lapha ngizochisela izinto endlini. What do you mean unje ngedwa? Akuhambe. Yabo ugele athi maye uThabo saqalisa ukukhuluma ukuthi kumbe maybe ngihambe for 3 months ngicela ukukhutshwa early what umfana vela sangene ngo chapter 50 ongacanga cacanga ngumuntu. Ugele aqalisa ukuthi no yabona sithatha isikhathi vele by the time uphenduka i-deployment yabe ngakabelethi kwathini will be ngizabe nguthumela amapikitshi ugayi ngoseguqa phansi sekhusisi sekhisa umkhaba resethi phela yazi ukuthini, but he doesn't realize ukuthi vele bemangala ukuthi umkhaba lo no man. Okay, let's baby daddy baby daddy, you're going to be a daddy when you come back. We have daddy sasimuli. Can you imagine us 3 uThabo vele deploy ahamba inhliziyo lamaphapu lama-kidneys kuchaya breakdance ezitshela ukuthi uyazi ukuthi I'm going to be a father. He was so happy. According to Brenda, he was so happy. Akulanto eyajampisekayo that time. There was no problem. Ahamba uThabo ethi seleviki ehambile nangu samama kokoko, and then wena samama wathi Chom yazi thini kwakunzima ukuthi ngikhulume layo laphana, you know, namama was here washaya surprise, yazi isigaxa se-surprise ngabona godo sefika endlini khona la. So uthi ngathi hayibo ukufika kanamama ukuhamba njani nokuthi ifoni yakho how many weeks ungangiphendula, ngakuthumela message message ungabamba amafoni ungiblutika ukuthi uthi yebo ngiyaphila unamama lo ngahlangana ngakhuluma la mina ngiyamazi. Yazana ngambona ngabe ngazoqokoda ngachayisana la akazange atsho okay unamama wahambe, so ahambe ekhaya. Kata usathi isikhathi sonke leso sisenze sikwenzayo ukuthi unamama ekhaya ngalo uzithwele. If I had known, I wouldn't have done things that I did with you, because mina somnasachitha muzi, you know, ngilomuntu wami. So I don't do things like that. I wouldn't do that to another woman, uyabona, ngoba I wouldn't like another woman to do that to me, uyabona. Anyway, you live you do you, I do me. Okay, labe nguthi ngaba le attitude vele phela uThabo sekwazi ngesisu ucabanga ukuthi ngesakhe. The plan is in motion. Uzathe khona le ngibelede ngibe sengimtshela ukuthi umntwana iprivilege. Yena sabe umntwana bese khula. Vele indawo yankona isayiniwe. Brenda is trusting her plans. Abangani bakhe, they are telling her ukuthi this plan is going to work. Ntombo. Iplan leli lizasebenza vele by fire by force lizasebenza. uDorothy uyayikhulumela eceleni ngani. uBrenda uthi hayi ke continue sisikhule. Yena inilanga uthi yazisa ngithi ngihlezi la endlini. Usamama sebebuyelile phela kokube bewosivoros bonke. You know uzondelana lokhaso kuphelile, but obviously sokule boundary leyo ukuthi lo usezithwele isisu silapha. Uthi one day usamama afika athi hazi ukuthini ngiphuphisa isu lesingesami. Uvalo lamshala meqogela. Uthi ngacanga ukuthi ngimtshele ngimekele ngithi yo. Uthi usamama wathi ngiphuphisa isu lesinyana singesami. Mina njala ngikuphupha izinto ezingayisizo. Is there something you want to tell me? Uthi ngathi sure wena ngathi ungi-ignore isikhathi sonke lesi. Samama wathi okay leqiniso, are you sure? Mina mbona usamama phela ngaba le experience ngempilo. Usamama wathi hayi anyway ezalo lesibayini yani yalapho ekhaya, kodwa mina awutshela mina ngiyazi, mina I can see there is no way ukuthi sisingezomfana lo esingaka. But if you say umfazi ngiyazi angabi aggro about it to be very nonchalant about the conversation baxoxe ngayo into yathi awozahlanya wena anti wakho umfazi uzithela imithi ngale concentrate on your wife uphume kimi mntana thabo we're happy baby daddy is right we can't wait to have our family but inhliziyo iyachaya because now kasekho sure ukuthi if usamama ngamtshela what does it mean for the whole situation yabo uzabhampisa izinto yini ule number kaThabo njoba bese bengamabhadi bhadi sebeke behenge out you know akwazi ukuthi what dynamic usamama knowing would bring to the whole situation very stressful as it is and usamama wasomuntu ocontrolekayo as you can tell the past couple of months ube busy emshanga ama blue ticks sephendukile nango sekuye sidla ivoro sendlini yakhe lama salad nje as if nothing happened so now she's a bit could not yabo. So I decided ukuthi angamtshela aqalisa athi ngothi ngiyobuza iDomeli nguDorothy ukuthi wena mngeke uyibona njani indaba le hamba uthi ngihambe ngiyotshela uDorothy ukuthi usamama nawe buya lesigaqa singaka kutshela ngithi ngidlalele shophela lapha neThikimi isisu lesi ngabhethi ngesami akulandlele ukuthi uThabe ngaka ngoba isisu lesi sesingaka uDorothy ethi baba lo ndoda uzakuthisa lamafayili lo mina mbonani best plan ikuthini umtshele ungamtshela ubusumtshela ukuthi hayi uThabo thinks ukuthi ngesakhe vele let's leave the things as they are since unamama la ezabe lo mntwana avela kula need ukuthi abe involved how girl bayidiscuss babona one lay best plan of action the next time she meets usamama ugirl uthi hayi silinde ngingasitholi mina sokuthi ngimtshele ngiyesabe ngoba usamama vela ngizamtrust ngiyesabe ukumtshela but atshela uDorothy athini ngimtshelile yabo ukuthi ugirl udlala enye igame dangerous uthi njalo uDorothy ngithi ngimtshelile ukuthi hayi ube happy ube right take a mind whatever mina I decide to do is fine hayi ke ba continue benjalo ingeli isisu siyakhula siyahamba uThabo usesikepeni ngale vele uthumela ama picture kuthi ukuthi engaba le network guy uyagugulisha izigqoko zabantwana ama rompa in yathumela can't wait for my baby to wear this yathumela ama picture ama prema uyenza yonke nje imfishi nje we excited to happy guy ugirl isisu lesi phela sesikhulile lesi siyakhula isikhathi sokubeletha sesizafika hayi ugirl uthi hayi lami ngibe ngiqinisela vele hayi le mali iyangena ayathenga kuyahlangana kuyathinthina but usamama akakwazi ugirl uthi hayi ke continue athi ugirl uthi ngithi ngiku 7 months 7 almost 8 months isisu sibe buhlungu ugirl uthi hayi ngifonela usamama ngithi hayi njani ngicela unjani umphelekezele esibhedlela lapha ngizwa sharp I'm really struggling ngobuhlungu ngiyagula something is happening usamama no problem thatha umuntu ungene ku Uber baye esibhedlela lapha abantu base Cape Town bahambe esibhedlela bafika esibhedlela lapha nabethi I know yini you are in labor but it's premature labor so we will give you some medication ezazama ukustopha because 7 months is really a bit early okay luthi ngithi ngifuna ukumbonisa mhlolo bani uThabo phela uhamba izolo lokho ngiyasala ngisithi ngibelethe isisu se2 weeks hayibo okay luthi ngithi lethanini wonke amaphilisi amisa umhelo bantu I cannot give birth now vela kuyenzi ngapha bancabe khuluma bethi ubaba la explainela usamama lapha usamama la elalele vumo ngane nguyibaba ukuthi like they are a couple as they are ugirl uthi vele ngilake ngithi yabona isigaqa singakavela ngeke ngisimele I cannot have this baby now uThabo usanda kushuka there is no way engingamgaxa ngendaba engaka vele loba sokuthiwa ipremature guys ugayi kala la 6 weeks esesikepeni wena ususala ubelethe ususithi avela kuyenza ugirl uthi ngiqalisa ukuguglisha ukuthi how early what early babies look like phela ukuthi aqalisa ukuprime uThabo ngathi hayi angamtshela uThabo ukuthi bese sibedlela but ethi nxa esefika endlini hayi uthi ngidecide ukuthi mphongo umtshela nje ukuthi atsho mengezwa sharp ngihambe gcine ngihambe esibhedlela but everything is well and fine akulanto engathangani hayi akupremature ngelesi sikhathi vele there's no way she can premature at this time awuyenzi iplan lakhe liyabe selifadalele hayi ugele uthi bamnika medication bamtshela ukuthi hayi if it happens again you need to come back what omunye doctor amtshela ukuthi hayi mina the way I'm seeing things ukuthi vele umntwana lo is not going to go ungabona umntwana uqalisa ukuthi get into labor so early it will continue happening every couple of weeks until vele we cannot stop it so when vele be primed and ready for a prim baby ugele uthi yazi ukuthi ngithi yabona uNkulunkulu hayi lapha ufuna ukunilahla straight mandlozi lapha lifuna ukunilahla straight ayisiyo lesivumelene angeke ichaye le uThabo vela angeke ichaye but ke life is life uthi about just as she was getting into like 8 months angene kuleba hayi ingastopheki leba le they do C-section abelethe umntwana oli premature ahlale esibhedlela lo mntwana lwana for about a week and then bebe sebesithi hayi ke baby is fine small healthy breathing on her own uyamunya kuhle simgcinela esibhedlela hambe ekhaya ugela uthi ngichayise ngibuyele ekhaya ngihambe lo samamo uthi ngihambe lo samamo nxa ngifika endlini uThabo afone what's going on uThabo ethi ayazi ukuthi it's been like a while ngilapha like a few weeks ngilapha I haven't been feeling well and so ngicela ama abemsebenzini ukuthi ngcono mina ngiphume esikepeni lesinqa sidokha next time and come back home I'm really not feeling too good yakhula hayi ndoda aqinisela hayi ndoda aqinisela ungathi umsebenzi ngokugula ncane ugula ncane ubulawini ugele usepanic ukuthi aphenduke ngizabe ngithini ke le imfishi ekhalayo esendlini la how am I going to explain this uthi vele ngizame by all means ukumconvince ukuthi no awuguli kangako ngani hayi awuguli kangako sababy you know eqinisela hayi uzaba right hayi ungathi umsebenzi remember mina lami ngize ngigulela phana khayela ukuthi into zawekha out njani ngacina nhlali lesikepeni ngaphuma ngira uthi sisa I was losing the will to live right there and there ngangisifila ungani ngizazichemela ngizazihudela isisu sami sasigonqama ngisithi kade umfana lo ufuna ukungibonisa ephenduke khathesi it's not the time uthi khona lapho lesi section iyanginyisa ngizo ngiphathi komunye ubuhlungu akazi ukubona yazi nxa ngisefonini ngizama ukukhuluma ukuthi ngithi ngizathi ngithi kobuhlungu uzahlabe egijima ke na lo esesithi ayike wodi ngibuye mamas umjolo the pandemic ugela uthi hayi ke sichiye uThabo engumuntu othi hayi uzacabanga uzabona how he feels in the next week but if he's feeling better uzahlala if not he'll come back ugela vela ahlala tshela ukuthi hayi by 5 by 4 ngizabe ngimconvince ukuthi ahlale esikepeni la he cannot come back yet asikamfuni back here so ugela hayi iviki ithi ngakaphela uThabo phone ethi no we're talking somewhere else mina I've agreed bavumile ukuthi ngifly back home because I'm really not feeling well yabona angikwanisa ukusebenza so there's no point ukuthi mina ke ngilele lapha kwaThintin and I can't wait to see you imamas le babasi le ntwana siyethu awula ntwana silapha sizayenza wena intwana sizayithola isila into ekhulumayo yazi hayi ugela uthi ngibona ukuthi la ayisakula simenemene sizasiyenza la avela kusekho simenemene nxa ebuya ngizabuya ngisithi premature kodwa ke sokujampile ugela uthi one thing about the baby wayelama 6 digits enyaweni 6 digits antu kuba lozwana lu extra lolano oluncane olabe luseceleni kwalolu nxa kuyi 6 digits esandleni kwabe kuphume bepho kungumuntu okuncane okabe kuphumela so uthi umntwana lo wayelama 6 digits enyaweni abuye usamamo one day ezobona phela unanasi usamamo ukuthi awayeke encedise njengoba usisiwayelani usisiwayelani wayebele 6 section wacabanga ukuthi uyabe buya ke epheka la engapheka extra food amphakulele iskaftini amhambisele uyakwazi ukuthi njani uzabe strugglisha kuma estofini epheka esikade emenzela ama sandwich like umuntu omkhathalelayo you would do for but although a relationship yabo ayisekho like it was before he was still happy to help her out so ngelilanga ukuthi sisangavuka ngigula yazi ngisizobuhlungu obunye okungayenziyo umntwana lele ekhala usamamo ekuseni wabevuke kweqoqoda lapha ngene okay aqoqoda usamamo angene alright ngilele lapha udayi vele inyembezi zihle zithi wohlo ngikhale isimumu ukuyini ukhalelani what's happened Brenda tshela mina yini mntana abantu why ukhala uyagula ngenzeni ufunani usamamo wabe very very concerned hayi uhamba njani alright uthi lami ngiqalisa ukuthi ngikathele kubuhlungu ioperation ibuhlungu ngikathele lambile umntwana lo uyangistressa uThabo uyabuya vele uzaba kwazi ukuthi umntwana lo aso wakhe samamade ngathini mina yes child is not samama asomdala Thabo lo usamamade hayi ngizawuncedisa ngomntwana ezini today but enale akutha akuyenza ngani kuyijoke ukuthi ethi ngathini mina azange ngitshela ukuthi asomdala Thabo lo but he doesn't delve deeper into it and he does not get any serious about the conversation angazi ukuthi maybe wayebona ukuthi usisi is traumatized alokuthi kumbeni maybe uyabona ukuthi sisivele is so stressed today akubone kungaso high as a bobes akubone kungaso right time to maybe to have a deeper conversation about it but he sort of says hold on so ugeli athe seblethe out indaba zona lezo akhale futhi abona ngani sama doesn't care sama vele la yazenza ungantu avele hayike ugeli uze nenye sama wathi hayi wathi ngimntana ngincedise ngomntana wathatha umntana ahamba igezi sethe gezi umntana ubone how akugqoka butisi kala mazwana kakithi phela lokho kungumuntu ihlibe confirmation kusama ukuthi hayi umntwana unjani. Thank you very much for the presence up here. Ku TikTok. Thank you. Usama mo vela hlathola confirmation yokuthi ingcenye laye waye kade esithi maybe not maybe but nxa calculate his card he could see ukuthi definitely this child would have been his but you never know. So when he saw amazwana umntwana he instantly knew ukuthi ayikele imoyo zale awukho kunye. So ugeli usamama uthi ugela ancedise that day amchiye ke umntwana wambeka laphana wamyenzela ukudlanyana wamchela laphana chapha zahamba ntamba usamama onqabi yabe ethi ayigeli let's sit down we need to talk we need to talk ugeli uthi sihlale phansi usamama wethi manje uzayenza njani la ngoba umfana nonqabi buya la njengoba utsho kwakho ukuthi uyabuya ubuya nini athi angikwazi sometime this week yabo so nxa ebuya lapho uzayenza njani ugeli uthi hayi ngimxosela uthi hayi esuka ngamtshela ngathi ngisithwele so iplan mina bekuyikuthi ngizamtshela ngithini please tap the screen iplan bengimtshele ngathi ngicabanga ukuthi ngizamtshela ukuthi umntwana ube yipremature samwethu ndoda lobe naive kangakanani utsho mlo loba kuthiwa uyisilime esingakanani ayingavumi ukuthi ipremature engakale ingakuvumi ngalo lo is ukhulile for it to be a 2-3 months premature ayikho le yabo uzamela ubele plan elitsha ngcono umtshela ugeli usamama wathi vele lapho uze nenye ugela sisithi okay so wena lokubuya la ungama solution ngingamtshela ukuthi umntwana wakho then what happens sizayenza njani azamwethi senza njani lo mina ndomfazi labantwana wena girl sizayenza njani akukho esingakuyenza I'm just saying ukuthi wenzela ukuthi ungazifaka enkingeni don't try and say ukuthi umntwana kwakhe uzaba kwazi ukuthi umntwana wakhe aso wakhe from the moment embona uzaba kwazi ukuthi umntwana lo aso wakhe so when you need a plan B lele ofuna ukuyichala vela awulamuntu oyindodoza ayifoma I'm just saying that to you yabo hawugeletha so uyala umntwana uyaphika usozongcedise ngimove yini out saqalisa phela ugela ucabanga ukuthi maybe into ekhulunywa ngizama mola make sense ngimove yini out ngihambe mina ngenjani move out uzancedisa ngerent kumbe la ngomntwana ngihle ngiphume kubani uThabo xa ukuthi uzaba kwazi because lami ngiyesaba ukuthi ngimtshela into engagcina sifake enkingeni lapha maybe agcine njayile maybe you don't know how someone would react samama vele ngumuntu lana othanda into zama jokes edami no wamfazi ngabe yentshe ukuthi umntana awuchanga ubulala how we samama yini le oyikhuluma ugela uthi hayi ke kuthi ukuthi yokumove out usamama angeseke ayisozi yenzakala yokutshela uThabo ukuthi umntwana ngowakhe by fact by fire uzangibamba vele what to do awugeleti hayi lami ngiyawuchiya emadlozini la uNkulunkulu sakubona ngezwe usithi going hayi ugel awuthi hayi ke ngiqalisa ukuthi ngilungiselele ukuthi awuThabo nxa ebuya awuthi ngingamtsheli ukuthi umntwana sekhona because I don't want ukuthi sibe le conversation le over the phone osiqalisa ukuthi abuze izinto eziningi ngicine ngingasakwazi ukuphendula avela ahlafike lapha enjani feel some type of way uthi vele ngingamtsheli hayi isikhathi sichaye within 2 weeks izenezana sasiqalisa ukukhuluma ukuthi kazwa kuhle uThabo anjani aphenduke uthi uThabo vele awungayenzi ukuthi ngiyombona e-airport ngangisa ayizagungubele mama isi-section ingenzela izimanga umntwana lo ukuthi la ngiphume phandle la ukuthi achaye ngumoya athintini umntwana preterm lo awufuni kum exposure to germs and things like that and anyway usuyathola umntwana usi-airport funa afike bakunankele khona ngale nxa beza kunanke yabo ngcono ambonele endlini if he's going to see the child ambonele endlini for the first time so ugela uthi hayi ke ngihlala uThabo sesikhulumile efonini uyalenda uyathinta uyabuya endlini uthi yabona ke sisalelala ngazizwa ngisiba lesi sickness ngangihlanza ngiginya shame ngisehloko ukuthi uginye ukuthi yabona ke namhla ziyakhala one way or the other ugela uthi uThabo abuye vele nxa yabona ukuthi ke uNkulunkulu sometimes uyayenza izinto zenzeke xa uThabo engena endlini ethole umntwana inga kuku full force yezwa kuku full force kuku screama kuhlanya uThabo vele ahlajika isikhwama phansi angene egijima ebedroom ezobona imihlola le yayizwa esemnyango for a minute I think he doesn't realize ukuthi no man it's too early for umntwana ongaka ukuthi abe khona like it's scientifically biologically and sexually this child should not be here at this point. He gets very excited. He hears the child cries and comes in. How got umntwana why ungantshelanga wathi ulugela uthi ngithi hayi waba yipremature ubelethwe 2 weeks ago vele ahla gungubali kungabi lanto enhle umuntu onjani ungezwa sharp ugaya athatha umntwana athintini hayi ugaya then after a while athi no man so kathi umntwana oya 2 months uzale ngaka 3 months uzale ngaka for angabi kwa umuntu oyindoda kakazazithwala maybe kakazabona umntwana usanda kuzalwa lokuthi unganani but in his mind it's starting to compute ukuthi this cannot be lokho ayisikho lokho yabo ugela uthi ayi lami ngithi ayi premature khona phana vele usanda kusuka ugaya athi hayi loba kuthwani mina asithi kumbeni anti la ise calculate card like asithi maybe wamitha the first day engafika ngayo when I left you 8 weeks anti ngahlala well asithi you 7 weeks because you week yoqala sibathi when I left you would have been about 7 weeks anti ise calculate kana when I left you would have been about 7 weeks. Then I've been gone for another maybe 12 weeks. So you aren't even 20 weeks. No, even 3 months esesiswini sakho. Igoqela ingaka. Ikhalayo kangaka enama lungs angaka. Ugaya qalisa ukuthi what's going on here? Like chom wayini le? Awugela uthi mina ngibona ukuthi utshona ngiqamba mama ngangisithini at this point in time njani akusoze kungisize manje ngivele ngimtshela iqiniso. Awugela uthi ngithi mina ngaphambanisa ngahlangana nomunye umuntu amtshela ukuthi nguguy next door umdala next door nguguy next door uguy Lizzie thank you uthi ngabe ngithi angahlangana nomunye uchomi you know one time you know I was feeling very lonely. I was really feeling some type of way ngangukhumbula ngangukhanuka what uthi vele I late all thick indaba thi selibhate thick you know wawusande kwathibika wabhoda wathintini so that one time ngihlale lo muntu lwana and then waphambaniseka I didn't know what to tell you ngesikhathi ubuya laphana vele wathi ufika ngangivele sengile quite a while ngase ngisaba babo 3 months vele how ngingasibonanga uthi yazi sawuthaba wayikhuluma nami ekhayelisa ishunganto awuzasibona katsha uzazi why didn't I see it why ngingasibonanga ngalesa nesikhathi so wasucabanga ungiqambela manga acabanga ukuninda what wow uThabo, but he's not violent like that, but he's very vocal. Look, he's so disappointed. He's also stressed. I think I'm living a dream. I will wake up from. Let's talk about this tomorrow. Okay, Luti Sisa, I kid you not. This guy goes and has a shower, gets into bed and sleeps. Azilalele. Uthi ngilale ngihlezi ngithi ayikho. Ayikho le uzavuka ebusuku angigamuli ngilale ngihlezi ngiqothele ngiqhulula amehlo ngaka engavela chibileke ngithi achibileka hey umuntu engazichibilikele ngutsheni mina ngiyeqele phezulu hayi ugaya azilalela evuka kusasa ekseni athe sevukile kusasa ekseni athi hayi asiqale phansi ke explain yourself once more. Okay, looking explaining kuyazi kwami indaba yami yokuhlangana nomuntu ngikhanuka umuntu wami ngishaye i-temptation lenkanuko zomzimba for one night only and this is what came out of it. Ngangawazi ukuthi ngutshele njani nganisesaba. I wanted us to have a family. I love you so much. I can't envision a life without you. I lay thick ugel. I lay thick ugaya athi hayi ngiyabuya phuma hambi. This is not what she expected. Like, this is not the reaction she expected. But because usamamo wayesemethu sanga ukuthi avele awulandoda ezayivukishandisile awulandoda engayivuma uza kuchawa ubulala. Mina kuyimvela ngakushaya ufefififi uyeke imunindisisa haya. Hayi ugela uthi aphuma hamba uGuy ahlale a few days engabuyanga uthi nxa ngifona angabambi ifone nxa ngitexta angiblue tick kuthiwa hayi ngithi as long engangitshaya ke ngangixoxanga kunjani maybe there is hope for me but ngawazi phela ukuthi uGuy uhlala ngaphi maybe uhlala labangane maybe whatever but as long as engekho lapha eChinga or esithi kasehlukane then maybe this whole thing is what iplan isingasebenza sesingakhula sikhulisa unana wethu unanasi wethu singobaba siloma basi why not maybe idlozi nje limvala amehlo uGuy ugela uthi uGuy abesebuya ngeday maybe day 3-4 uthi sisa at this point I was ready to say ngicela unjele ukuthi uplanani because this silent treatment this you not reacting iyangisabisa yabona ngihlale ngikwazi ukuthi what you are planning to do what you are going to do because I understand you keep saying ukuthi this is a dream or ngiyakuhlolela and then walking away or going to sleep but kahle what are you ucabangani uyabona uzwisa uhlungu ungantshela ukuthi ufunani ugela uthi hayi ke i-conversation enaleyo iyenzakala uGuy athi vele I don't know what to think mina yagula what hayi uGuy kuthi angene ebedroom engumuntu uyalala ifoni ku-silent kaGuy iyaringa like constantly it's vibrating ifake ku-charger lapha ugela athi hayi man ifoni le yaringa avusa uGuy athi maybe something has happened ifoni yakho kudala njani iring uGuy akhangela ifoni athini athi okay aphume phandle ayi-answer phendula sesithi ayi yazi thini mina ngihambe ngabona u-aunt wami so bengifuna ukuthi senzeni sihambe siyokhuluma lo-aunt ngendaba le because mina angisomuntu violent angisomuntu othatha izinkinga I never expected this kind of betrayal from you so I truthfully speaking I do not know how to react I do not know how to feel angikwazi yabo hayi ugela ethi asizokuthiwa ko-aunty hayi man ngeke kubhede kangako ngaze siya ko-aunty ngiyayikhulumela mina yafika lami nje aunty ngaphambanisa jwa ngiyaxolisa hayi le ngisikhanda kuze lize liyochapha phansi le ngesiphaqa u-aunty uyazwisisa ukuthi izinto zenzeka hayi ke ugela uthi hayi sigeze silunge thatha umntana wakhe sibhabhule sihambe from what she's saying uthi at this point uThabo was like not any ways feelings towards umntwana. He would look at the child, engage with the child, hello nanas, and things like that, and just move on as if like I don't know, like anyway. Bahambe go aunt. Auntie lo unban umogeli kamazi vele u-anti kakaze ahlangane laye ngoba isihlobo as far as she's concerned all the relatives are back home, all her relatives are home, all his relatives are home. They've never really spoken about family that is based khona la. But at the same time it's quite strange ukuthi u-auntie is actually in Cape Town as well. So ugeli but kungaklikhi kuyo ukuthi, and then u-auntie lo isikhathi sonke wayengaphi when I was lonely. I could have been introduced to this auntie, maybe ngangizabe ngifoster more relationships with your family and whatnot. But ugeli yena azitshela ukuthi this is an opportunity for me to go and sell this idea to auntie. Ngitshela ukuthi auntie mina ngapha manje ngiyaxolisa sure ngiyacela ukuthi umendo wami ungachithe kungakaqalisi and things like that. So she's ready vele ngespeech sakhe sokuyafika guqe phansi akhala alale ngesisu. Ugeli uthi sifike ko auntie, hayi auntie ya, auntie is not auntie, auntie is quite young. Fike laphana ko auntie manje ukuhamba njani? Kuxoxo uthabatsho ukuthi this is what has happened. Umuntu wami wasale izithwala ngisemsebenzini ngithole sebelethile wanqamela mangaye we auntie and wena girl uthi sisa ngabe ngiqalisa mina ukuthi no mina njani senesana speech asicabangile ekhanda ukuthi vele sengizasikhuluma mina ngapha manisa auntie, you know umuntu wami ngiyamthanda avela isifiso sokuthi nichiyane la se unless yena efuna ukuchiyana lami and reluctantly so I will, but bengilesifiso sokuthi ngakuyalungiseka umntwana omncane ubabakhe umntwana lo angimazi asomuntu engathi kumbeni uzabuya empilweni ethu asihluphe. So if he can find it in his othi sesangangekhala inyembezi lamakhovula kulenga ikita wena kwanise enhlizweni yakho ukuthi angixolele sikhulisa umntwana abe ngowethu. We were very going to have a child who is going to be an amazing father. Ngiyamazi inhliziyo yakhe inhle. Girl ayibeke late they cry and cry. U-auntie mina nginjani? To be fair, listening to you, I can understand, yabo. But if the roles were reversed, imagine if unguThabo owayebithise someone escaping laphana wabuya ehamba nomntwana, how would you and I feel? Would you take that child on? Okay, uthi vele ngiyayicabangile mphongo ukuthi no abantu bamaphutha yenze. Phela xa ungoyenza iphutha, sade lamaphutha yenze. Amaphutha enzeka kwathi umsobho wasalamaqatha lami I would have reacted whichever way angazi ngoba kathesi lami ime ngosituation so angeke ngimazele ukuthi yena ufila njani. Bakhulume lo auntie u-auntie agcine ethe yazi mina I would say ukuthi you need to sit down and talk, livumelana ukuthi liyenzani. Lawe Thabo ukuthi ugcina umntana abantu in limbo like this is not nice. Lawe sisi kodwa into yenzileyo vele njani iyabheda, because truthfully speaking actually you are not a wife, a weak girlfriend. So if uThabo were to leave you now it wouldn't be a big thing. Akakulobolanga abangini abamazi, maybe bamazi ngama phone calls lamapicture, but in the grand scheme of things kahle girlfriend. Okay luthi hayi ke sisuke auntie sihambe ngikhaya hanje ungakhulunyiswa ukuthi uGayi vele uhlezi lapha uthule uyacabanga, you know. You know I'm disappointed, you know, I don't know what to do, angikwazi ukuthi ngenzeni. Mina nzaba nguchomo waba islima wamithisela umfazi engekho wa he's talking to himself, to her, what ugela uthi ngasifika endlini uthi ngasifika endlini ifoni kaGayi iyaringa, yazi ringa non-stop iyaringa uyayi-answer kumbe uyayikhatha uyayiringa. Ugeli ngakwazi phela ukuthi ngubani ofonayo, but she's not really bothered. Ulankinga eziningi okwamafoni kasho inkinga at this point. Ugeli uthi kuhlale a few days uThabo bese sithi maybe we need to talk. Lapha I think ukuthi we need to sit down and talk, uyabona. Ngendaba le and finalize it kuphela. Ugeli uthi sisa uvalo lwangishalwa ngeqa ngakungale because I don't even know ukuthi, well at this point we are not talking, he is going to be telling me whatever he's thinking, because it's not a we need to talk kind of situation, it's more of a this is what I've decided kind of situation. So ugeli uthi hayi isikhathi sokuxoxa sifike sithi singakafiki ifoni lami ringe xa ngimtshela ngithi iPhone lakho yazi lokho ihlala iringe kathi ngubani naloko udinga ngubani okhuluma layo. Utsho mntana ethi hey wena mind the business, that's yours. So ufuna ukungithonisisa ngefoni wena ufuna ukuthonisisa mina ngefoni wena sibili ungazona fanenye la. Ugeli uthi hayi ngibone nje reaction yakho ukuthi ayikho right. Ugeli uthi hayibo uGayi asifike ehlale phansi sizaxoxa. uGayi athi yazi after thinking long and hard about this, I've decided ukuthi I can't continue with this relationship. Vele ukukhangela umntwana lo is going to constantly be a reminder of how you betrayed my trust, how you betrayed my love. Like nxa ngukhangele vele ngizwa vele ngunyanya, you know, I don't even see myself touching you at all anytime soon or anytime ever. You know, I really wanted to build a future with you. It gives a long story. Basically, uGuy nje is yelling the girl. Uthi sisangayaliwa, yesikhiwa, ngamabala aqatha, ngahlala lapha inyembezi zayehla ngazame ukuthi hawo kodwa Thabo Nkosi yami, umntwana oyi-1 kuphela ngesikhaxalisa. Oyi-1 kuphela, just one child. Sesifikise esimene sinje Thabo uthi ngazama ukuzincengela, but also in the back of my mind I knew ukuthi into ayikhuluma was making sense. Having a child ongasowakhe endlini will always be a constant reminder of my betrayal of his love, of his relationship with me. So but iface into engase ngicabanga now was ukumuva ngiyohlala ngedwa. You know, this is the only guy I've ever had a serious relationship with. Usamamo vele at this point vele since uThabo wabuyayo he's vamused again, he's nyamalalathi. Vele laye ugela uthi vele ngangingamthumezela ama message because ngangisesaba ukuthi in case uThabo decide ukuthi go through my phone, in case ecabanga ukuthi maybe baby father nyamazi athi go through my phone agcine sechasana lama phone ka next door neighbor. So I didn't get in touch with him. I didn't bother myself with this guy because I had bigger issues to deal with. So I ngithi sengiyalwela phana bese ngibuza manje ubufuna senze njani ngimove out because angila mali, you know, because of umntwana bengasasebenzi kahle. So angila mali yokumova and therefore uThabo I know maybe ngahlala for a little while mina ngizasuka ngiyohlala ko auntie until when uzubelani ube le proper money yokuyenza accommodation, or if you want usungahlala khona lapha mina ngiphume, I'll take my things. Ugela uthi ngacabanga ukuthi irent eflat leli ngingedwa vela ngeke ngikwanise, especially the way nginomntwana omncane asoze ngikwanise. So ngase ngimtshela ukuthi hayi mina what I'll do is I'll move out after a while, ngizakhwabanisa amasenti then bese move out in your rent room lomntwana, and it is what it is. Kayathi sharp athwala imkhashaqane yakhe abe ngumuntu omuva, but yabe buye ezovakatsha nje here and there sharp right and things like that. Ugela uthi hazi ukuthi something was not making sense, something wasn't kosher. Uthi ngelilanga ngicabanga ukuthi what do you know what, let me go kobani sengi-right hawu usamamo vele kasabambeki, usamamo is no longer in the picture. Vele I think indawo yomntwana vele hayi ngangeni yabo yabonana ngisemtshela ukuthi I had met usamamo at that point, ngamtshela ukuthi hayi no mina lo Thabo sesehlukene, he's not going to sit around because of umntwana. So angikwazi ukuthi what I could do, but like you had said vele there was no way a man would accept the situation. So I accept ukuthi I made an error. Now I hope ukuthi one day you will help me out nezinto zomntwana. I'm going to move out of here, ngidinga indawo yami encane okuyiroom ngirente ngikhulisa umntanami. Life is what you make it. Whatever's happened is happened. Akukho okunye engakuyenza. Samama wathi hayi ke ungamuva, don't you know, don't be a stranger. Lami ngizabe ngincedise emntwaneni, but eqiniseni mina I've got a family as it is. I've got a family as it is, so there is no space for you. Yabo usamamo vele hayi ngachayi kuye usamamo wathi hayi vele yabona mina I thought ukuthi you were preventing anyway, umntwana ongangakwazi ukupreventa, you know, but like he can see ukuthi vele this was not an entrapment situation, this is a situation that happened and it is what it is. But usamamo didn't want to have a family with her, he didn't want to have any lasting relationships with Brenda, and he was making it clear, and he had made it clear ukuthi I already had a family and all right. So girl athi one day ngicabange, it's been about a month or so ukuthi phela you know maybe ngiyothi ngihambe ko auntie ngiyomtshela ukuthi you know ngiyoxolisa. Actually uthi the reason why I went to that house was because ngangisaxolisa. So girl uthi hayi ke thwala umntanami shophe sami, umntwana uyakhula, you know, ama-preterm babies sometimes when they come out into the world they thrive, they grow up fast. So asomntwana ukuntshisa omncane, you know, or anything like that, ngumntwana nje oseyisidudla, you know, libhobhodlwana nyana yabo. usekhulile muhle maybe ufana nabanye bakomoyo akwazi ukuthi ufana nabani, but ugela uthi hayi ke ngithwala umntanami ngizitshela ukuthi do you know what, I want to clear my conscience, I want to clear my heart. Into engiyifunayo ukuthi ngikhave kuthabo even phambi kwa-aunt wakhe ngiyomxolisa truly and truthfully speaking ukuthi you know what I did was wrong, ngiyaxolisa and I'll continue to say sorry. Ngizazithathela umntanami, I'm going to move out, sengitholile indawo engizahlala khona nomntwana. I will not be in your life, angisoze ngubotharishe, and if lethu silifuna back I'm going to leave, but because Elise was in Thabo's name, so angazi ukuthi Elise ufuna ukuyicancela or you're going to take back indawo, but truly speaking my guy, I'm sorry. So girl vele uthi ngahamba ngile intention yani yokuyaxolisa, akela uthi ngihambe ke ko aunties njengokwazi kwami uthi ngifike u-auntie lapha ngiqokode kungavulwa ngiqokode ngibese ngicabanga ukuthi hayi ukuthi ngichaye futhi ishwapha ngibuyele emuva kusoze kuyenza ukuthi ngivele njani ngizihlalele khona la ngibamelele nxa bephumile bayaphenduka. Anyway uthi ngihlezi lapha ngicabanga ukuthi awuthi ngiphume ngiye emagrosa ngenjani ngiyothenga something to eat, then I come back. Uthi ngisuke ngiye emagrosa, yazi uNkulunkulu sometimes ngisuke ngiye emagrosa xa ngiphenduka ngivele emagrosa ngihle ngibone nje ukuthi hayi endlini lapha sokulabantu sebefikile, uthi ngiqokode. But you know ukuthi kwesisikhathi uyaqokoda kade umnyango ubungavalwanga kuhle, ihandle ibingathanga khexeswa wathi uqokoda umnyango uvuleke. Ugelu uthi sisangiqokoda umnyango uvuleke ngingathi hello hayi salibonani ngiyangena qoki ekuhle, none of that. Uthi umnyango uvuleke lami nginjani step in for some reason which I do not know why. Uthi ngistep in, uthi nxa ngisithi ngiyathi yo abantu basesofeni umuntu lo aunt wakhe bagqoke ezika Adam lo Eva egarden yase Eden lapha bengakadli apple. Uthi ngiyethuka luckily ukuthi umntwana ngangimbophile uthi ngangimthwele ngangizamjikela phansi. That is how shocked about the whole situation I was. Uthi ngama lapha ngavula umlomo nga. What the fuck is this? Uthi anhlalo wasemathi ngakutshela ngathi umtshele sukumwadi ngi-t-shirt wazibamba ngathi umtshele this was not going to work. Wathi mthini wabale kwa bedroom ukumoga isidinga ama-undress segqoka udinga la wenzani lo anti wakho, idingani la wenzani lo anti wakho. It turns out ukuthi he was never auntie to start with. Umogai wathatha girlfriend wamamsakweni girlfriend wakho ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi uzizwe anti ngale esefikile wafika wathi hayi umuntu lo unjani ngimthole lo umntwana lo washo wami lwana wathi uyanya ulamanga undlalisa isikhathi sami lapha khanya usisi wayenjani. Usisi wayevele either ekhonjwe ku cruise ship before babe ngomuntu ababenjani ababekade bebonke bahlangana baba bonke ngesikhathi lesana zabuye during the trip yakhe esithule anatshelwa kodwa umntwana usithwele khona ubaba bonke futhi. So when he went and decided to come back, it was because he wanted to spend more time with this new person than Brenda. But at the same time, he didn't want to tell Brenda ukuthi yena sele Sherry and Sherry yamiyo la iyangiphaphela ayibo. So ugel uthi this is what had happened. So kahle uguy when he came the was it the second time laphana atshelwa kwathiwa khona umntwana ukuthi wathi ahamba sokuthiwa ngizithwele wayevele sela lo aunt uyabo approach. Can you yazi kathi idoda the husbands liyasenzela izimanga. Imagine uthatha umuntu usithi kaye kutshela kaye kubeka indaba yakhe ngathi ku girlfriend yakho. uBrenda uthi sisa I remembered ngikhala inyembezi ngisithi auntie izinto ziyenzeka ngiyaxolisa, I should not have done this, umuntu lo ngiyamthanda. Uauntie hlezi lapha sithi kahle phela wena vela usomfazi lapha ekhaya uyi girlfriend, so if he decides to leave khathi umuntu uyazazela ukuthi if he decides to leave nguyongenayo. Uthi sisangachamathe ngangifeel like I have been hit by a train, like I didn't understand. Ikhanda laliduma ngase ngikhala why ungenza so. girl, I friend lava issues, guys. I don't know what our issues are. Ngawe jealousy, ngawe but ubrand uthi sasa angikala sithi wayo ngiyenza so as if yena ngimenzanga so. Njalo the pandemic. Ama-boys demands ayakwenzela izinto ezinje so akuthatha ukuhambisa ku-girlfriend ayi ukuthi buzokhuluma izono zakho ugela uthi sisa I had begged even that woman ngamtshela ngathi anti ngicela ungixolisele ngicela ungincengele kuThabo ngiphambanisile ngiyavuma ngiyaxolisa kanti ugela uhlezi lapho umuntu ngithi suka uthi hayi ke uThabo wathi get out phuma uhambe mina lawe we are no longer together anyway. It doesn't matter now what I do. Whether I'm under so anti, it's none of your business. Ususizwe ubuhlungu ngomjolo wami lawe wangijolela 609 ngafana and things just were like that. Uthi ngathatha umntanami ngaphuma ngahamba ngafika endlini ngapheka izinto zami ngaphuma eflatini lomuntu ngahamba ke ngangivele ngibonile ama-adverts awe-room uthi at that point angingavele ngakwazi ukuthi impilo izaba yini but I packed my stuff and I left ngahamba ngayizihlalele eromini nomntanami isikhathi siyahamba uSamamo was constantly communicating ngelinye ilanga uSamamo laye wangishaya ngesathi isigaxo sentshela ukuthi unamamo kwatsha kwacima decide ukumove back to sebuye South Africa ubamba ama-message uthi sesavele at that point ngangingasela ndaba nomuntu ngangingasela I thought ukuthi impilo yami was fucked up as it is lami ngathi abahambayo sasala sincengisa la ugela uthi hayi xa unamamo layo wayefuna ukuphuma kaphume lami yingene lami anti ungenile ngiphumile so kuyafana nje menzi njalo the pandemic so indaba yabo yaphela kanjalo nje uSamamo lo nkosikazi wakhe labo khona ngale bechaya i-fighting ugeli uthi hayi ngahlalela move out ngahlalela I continued ngizihwabanisela ngizihotela izinto zami eGoli ngizithengisela izinto zami eCape Town and the idea was ukuthi I'll move back to Joburg because Cape Town held so many bad memories for me. uThabo vele from that day I only met him once because I had to go back and pick some of my stuff ngamthole khona uthi sisa this man has changed from being the sweet loving babazi to this animal engangingayazi ngafika endlini sathathe ngumuntu wami uthi thatha izinto zakho uhambe phuma ulandeni la I guess ukuthi maybe they were deciding ukuthi they were going to move there lo muntu wakhe uAntiza and life continues as life should continue. Iphela lapha indaba yethu. Thank you for my gifts abaku TikTok. Thank you for all my gifts. Oh my God, thank you. I've reached my target today. I've reached my target. Thank you. Ngiyabonga. So indaba yethu iphelela lapha. This is where it ends. Yeah. Jolo the pandemic. Abafana the boys. Ama girls, the women's.